Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Well, students, we have covered chapter 8, which was regarding transmission of heat. इस चैप्टर में हमने जो मेन चीज़ें पढ़ी हैं, एक तो ये था कि what are the different modes of transfer of heat. याद रखो, there are only 3 modes of transfer of heat. 1 conduction, 2 convection, 3rd radiation. इसको याद रखो. In conduction, we studied about what are good and bad conductors. Then we studied about metals and non-metals and applications of conduction. Conduction जो है उसके कहाँ का इस्तेमालात होते हैं. The next topic that we covered was convection. In that we covered wind and ocean currents, gliding of birds and applications of convections. Third was radiation. And what is radiation, what is absorption, and what are the applications? Good and bad absorbers and radiators. Over there it was good and bad conductors. Now over here is good and bad radiators and absorbers. And then when we went on to vacuum flask, and the next chapter concerns about dispersion of light. Now we come to the end of the exercise, end of the chapter and the exercise. And please go over these main exercises, and the first part of it is concerning the MCQs. Now I hope that you have gone through it and you have done it. If you have any difficulty in that, well, you can give me a call on the numbers that I have given you. These points you must know on the tips of your fingers. Now, the questions that are given in the exercise, the first question is, the transfer of heat by movement of molecules from place to place is known as, from one place to the other, the movement of molecules. Actual movement of molecules takes place only in convection. There is no movement of actual molecules in case of conduction. Second, it can maintain temperature of drinks. What can maintain the temperature of drinks? It is vacuum flask, a device for maintaining the temperature of things. Question 3, the transfer of heat by direct contact of molecules. By direct contact of molecules, which is the mode which transfers heat? Conduction. The surface which absorbs and radiates heat better. A black surface absorbs more heat and radiates more heat. It's a better conductor. Radiator and is a better absorber. Now question number 2, and circle the correct answers in the following. When we sit in the sun, we are heated by radiation. Warm air rises because of convection. A metal spoon is placed in a cup of hot water. The spoon gets warm by conduction. In a vacuum flask, this is the 4th MCQ of question number 2. In a vacuum flask, the vacuum prevents the transfer of heat by which phenomena? It uses convection as well as conduction. Now question number 5, when warm water rises in a lake and cold water sinks, what is this phenomena? What is happening? It's because of convection. And convection, when you start heating something, it starts going up and cold water takes its place. Similarly, in case of a lake, as the water gets heated up on top, it starts going down and the cold water comes and takes its place. Question number 6, heat energy can be transferred well by conduction from one material to another through solids. Wind blows due to convection. Which color is a good reflector of heat? White is a good reflector of heat. What happens if 2 objects at different temperatures are touching? If 2 objects both at different temperatures, heat transfers. It gets transferred when 2 objects, hot and cold body, are in contact with each other. Question number 9, part A, heat energy transfers from the warmer object. Now question number 3. Why do we use cooking pots made of metals? Why do we use cooking pots made of metal? Because they are good conductors. What is a convection current? Please look at page number 82 and answer this question. Which surfaces absorb maximum heat? A black surface is a good absorber and a good radiator. Why do we use woolen blankets and clothes in winter? On page number 81 is the answer given. Why do we use woolen blankets and clothes? Question number 5. What is advantage of gliding? Please look up at page number 84. Answer the question. I want you to do this complete exercise. Write it down, each question and answer in your notebooks. Ask me, give me a call if you find difficulties. What is a convection? What is convection and how does it occur? Page 82 and 83. Page 82, para 2nd and 3rd. What are the applications of conduction? Please look up at page 81. What is a vacuum flask? This answer is given on page 88. Now the last question was about ocean currents and winds. Write notes on ocean currents and winds. Please see page number 84. And what is gliding of birds? Page 84. Now I want you to complete these notes, do the exercise, remember and understand the main points. Give me a call if you have any difficulty, and I will feel very glad if you give. The next topic is about dispersion of light, which we will be covering shortly in the next lecture. I would like you to please go over some of the things over there so that you have a fair amount of idea what we are going to do. I wish you the best of luck. Make your notes, write headings, draw diagrams, and please show me, talk to me if you have any difficulty. Thank you very much.